Today we will do whether we should have non-vegetarian food or vegetarian food. First, let us see what is God's advice, what is God's wish. Now, God has made us human beings as omnivorous. That means He has given us a choice to eat either non-veg or veg. Omnivorous animals can eat both the types of food, for example, bears, dogs, whereas the other type, carnivorous, these can eat only meats like tiger, lion. Omnivorous can eat both. These can eat only meats. And herbivorous, these can eat only vegetables, plants, vegetarian food, like cows, elephants. Now, these animals, for example, carnivorous, even if they are starving and you give them, for example, vegetables, they will not eat. And same for herbivorous, even if they are starving, you give them meats, they will not eat. But God has given us a choice. So now we have to do a research which is the best choice, to eat vegetarian or non-vegetarian. God has given us a choice doesn't mean we can eat both. We have to do some research and find out which is the better option. For example, God has made us human beings, so He has given us a choice whether to be a good human or a bad human. Most of us choose to be good human because we know it is better. To be a Then we have to continue our research how to be a good human. So, if you do not do three things, at least three things, then you are a good human. First priority, no murder. Even if someone gives you lot of cash, lot of separi. Second priority is no beating. Even your children. We think we beat our small children to improve them, but that is wrong. You can give them punishments. The reason why you are beating them when they are small is because they cannot retaliate. They cannot beat back because their physical strength is not much. And that is the reason you do not beat your child once he has crossed the age of 16 or 17, because he will also retaliate. You can give them punishments, that is okay, but no beating. And the last priority is no abuses. This is also, there are other things also, but at least the three things, if you do not do, you can say you are a good human. So now we have to choose between vegetarian and non-vegetarian. We have got a choice. Now, non-vegetarian, for non-vegetarian, I mean only meats. Eggs and milk are okay, they are separate. Only meats. If we have meats, there is one problem. Our intestines are very long. They are around 24 feet long. So if we have meats, it takes long time to digest, up to 3 days. And if you keep meat out, even in your room, with, with a temperature of 37 degrees room temperature, which is the temperature of our body, in 12 hours it becomes toxic, poisonous. So if this meat remains in our body at this temperature for 3 days, it might cause, you can say, toxic, and might cause food poisoning. That is the problem with meats. Whereas if you compare lion or tiger, his intestine is only 8 feet. So he can digest whatever he eats. He eats only meats, he can digest that within less than 24 hours. So that is the problem with meats. Now some people say, which is, and they are correct, that meats have got a lot of protein compared to non-vegetarian. That is correct. Meats have got 3 times more protein than, you can say, pulses. Pulses are got lot of protein, but meat has got, so 1 kg meat has got 3 times into protein of 1 kg pulses. That is correct. But we have to see whether this protein of the meat can be digested in our body, or is it converted into waste product. Now, in carnivorous animals, the full meat, full protein is digested, but in our body, it is not digested fully. So this option is better. If doctor tells you to have proteins, it's better to have pulses, because protein of pulses get fully digested. For example, which item has got the maximum proteins, even more than meat? That is hair. Hair, human hair. But can you digest this? No. If you, even if you eat this hair, it will come out as a waste product. So similarly with meat, full meat is not digested. So that is the, another thing is, for example, another example, carbohydrates. Now carbohydrates are present maximum in the grains, rice, pulses, sorry, not pulses, rice and wheat, and these are fully digested by our body. But again, if you compare these carbohydrates to the item which has got maximum carbohydrates, that is, which item has got maximum? It is wood. 1 kg of wood has got much more carbohydrates than 1 kg of grains. But can you digest it? No. Even if you boil it and have it a little, it will not be digested. It will convert it into body waste. But elephants can digest it. So they can have the full carbohydrates from the wood. Small twigs of plants, trees. And the last thing is maximum calcium. Which item has got? Milk has got, of course, but more than milk. Which item has got maximum calcium? It is nails. Our nails, which are dead, if you eat them, same thing, it will not be digested. So for calcium, people have milk and vegetables. So the answer is, it's more better to become a vegetarian.